Hello, the topic of our study is adaptive imitated central pattern generators for bipedal locomotion learned through reinforced reflex neural networks. Central pattern generators, CPGs, are neural circuits in the spinal cord or brainstem that generate rhythmic motor patterns. Reflex circuits are neural circuits that mediate rapid, involuntary responses to sensory stimuli. Combining the CPGs and reflex circuits, we proposed a bio-inspired new control framework for humanoid locomotion control. Our controller consists of two parts. The CPGs are responsible for the feed-forward control, and the training algorithm used is imitation learning. The reflex circuits handle the feedback control, and the training algorithm used is deep reinforcement learning. The CPGs output target angles for each joint of the robot, and the required torque is calculated using a PD controller. We trained the pattern formation layer of CPGs using one group of human walking data and one group of running data from CMU database by supervised learning. Next, we used deep reinforcement learning to train the reflective network. Our simulation model consists of 28 degrees of freedom, and in the video on the right, we exhibit the positions and ranges of motion of the robot's joints. We employed Isaac Gym as our simulation environment, which offers a multi-agent simulation environment as shown in the bottom right video to enhance training efficiency. Each agent is equipped with different frequency CPG-like signals as feed-forward control, enabling the robot to learn gaits at different speeds simultaneously. We chose AMP and PPO as two comparative methods representing imitation learning and DRL, respectively. Compared to AMP, our algorithm shows better energy efficiency. Compared to PPO, our algorithm can generate more human-like gaits in both of walking and running tasks. To test the robustness, we applied a random external disturbance force, the red arrow in the animation below, to the trained robot. We found that the human-like symmetric gait helps AMP and our AI-CPG method better resist external disturbances. By adjusting the input frequency of rhythm generator of CPG controller, the robot can achieve smooth gait transition from walking to running, like the video shown on the right side. And in Figure B, the Froude number and flight phase ratio shows how the gait changes with velocity. Our method can also let the humanoid robot move on uneven terrain stably. The left figure shows the trajectory of the robot. Different represent different training epochs. With training, the robot gradually learned how to move to the target direction. Only change the frequency of the CPG controller, we can get these different gaits for the humanoid robot. Comparing the motion trajectories of AI-CPG, PPO, and AMP algorithms, we found that the AMP algorithm fails to enable the robot to learn how to move on uneven terrain. Comparing the AI-CPG and PPO algorithms, we found that in both walking and running gaits, AI-CPG demonstrates better performance in terms of symmetry, stability, and energy efficiency. Our AI-CPG can also adapt automatically to different terrains, allowing agents trained in A. triangular terrain to be deployed directly on B. rectangular and synwave terrains without the need for additional training. Thank you very much for watching.